Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you all know, Christmas is coming and Christmas plum cake is something everybody loves. Today I am going to show you how can you make easy and quick Christmas cake in less than 2 hours. So let's start the recipe. But before that, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I post new recipes every week. Let's start by adding 300 grams of chopped mixed nuts. I have taken cashews, pecans, walnuts, raisins, almonds, dry cherries, dry cranberries and some candied fruits. Traditionally, people soak these nuts in some sort of alcohol, but instead of alcohol, I'm using orange juice. So here I'm adding 1.5 cup of orange juice. I'm using fresh juice, but you can also use canned orange juice. Stir it and let it soak for at least half an hour. Next, take 1 cup of soft butter, 1.5 cup of light brown sugar. If you don't have brown sugar, you can also use same quantity of white sugar. Whisk it well until it's creamy. Now I'm adding spices which make this cake extra special. I'm adding half teaspoon of ginger powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and a pinch of nutmeg powder. I'm also adding 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Here I'm also adding 1 tablespoon of orange zest, which is optional. If you don't have orange zest, you can also add lemon zest. Mix it well and keep it aside. Next, in a separate bowl, I'm adding 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda and half teaspoon of salt. Stir it and keep it aside. Next, I'm going to drain the extra liquid from mixed nuts. Don't throw this liquid, we'll use this later. Now I'm adding dry ingredients and liquid to the butter sugar mixture. Mix well and also add soaked nuts. Prepare the cake molds with some parchment paper. Pour the batter and bake them in a preheated oven for 35 to 40 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Once it is baked, unmold it and let it cool down. Fold it in a cling wrap and refrigerate it. After 1 or 2 hours, unwrap it. Cut it in however shape you like. Look at the super moist Christmas cake with beautifully distributed nuts. Our Christmas cake is ready. I hope you like this recipe. If you have any doubt about the recipe, do let me know in the comment section. Do like, share and subscribe bellytimberhouse and hit the bell icon so you get the notification whenever I upload a new recipe. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Merry Christmas, guys.